All right, you guys know the rules. Welcome to Prime Time Rapping. Over here, we have Hiccup. We have Smaug. All right, you two know the rules. 2 minutes-ish, 2 verses. Ready, and begin.
You said your name is Hiccup? Well, I'm gonna kick down. You and your friends, you'll all have to leave town. My armor is tenfold shields. All your dragons' fates are sealed. My breath is death dealed. And for all you, your fates are sealed.
You talk a big game, but I've got bigger brains. You were outwitted by dwarves. You couldn't survive a minute outside Erebor. I wiped out a dragon like you clean. That dragon was a queen, so give your gold a hug. You have no reason to be so smug.
Big brains, how did that go for you when you were eaten? It was only by the one ring that I was defeating. You think your mangler could bring down a real dragon? You're nothing. You can't even fly unless you let Toothless tag in. Red Death, don't you know that that's what the men of Dale call my breath? They say I'm talented, the best around. Smarter boys go running when they hear my sound. I'm gonna teach you that dragons aren't friends. You, Astrid, and Toothless, this is where you meet your ends. Once this mic drops, I'm gonna be unrestrained. I'll show you how this dragon was trained. Let's go!
Well, I'm scared not. I killed a queen dragon, took her crown, and it only took one black arrow to take you down. The fact you overgrown lizard. You're older than the hills, and I don't think you could fight if it was your last will. So before you go to bed, make sure you take your dragon pills.
David Humphrey.